Understanding beard growth. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we'll delve into the phrase, beard growth. We often encounter phrases that describe processes or changes, and understanding them is key to mastering English. So, let's get started and uncover what beard growth really means. Beard growth refers to the process where hair grows on the chin, cheeks, and neck of a person, usually a man. It's a natural phenomenon associated with masculinity and maturity. When we talk about beard growth, we're not just talking about the physical aspect, but also the patience and care it takes to maintain a beard. Understanding beard growth involves knowing its stages. It starts with the anagen phase, the active growth period, followed by the catagen phase, a transitional stage, and ends with the telogen phase, where hair rests and eventually falls out. Each stage is part of the cycle that results in the beard's final look. Many factors can influence beard growth, such as genetics, age, and health. Nutrition and lifestyle choices can also play a significant role. It's important to know that while some aspects are beyond control, proper care can promote healthy beard growth. For those looking to enhance their beard growth, consider these tips. Maintain a balanced diet, use specialized grooming products, and practice regular maintenance. Remember, a healthy beard is a sign of good grooming habits and overall health. I hope this explanation sheds light on what beard growth means and the various elements involved in it. Whether you're growing a beard or just curious about the term, remember that it's a unique process for everyone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next English learning video.